Hello friends, welcome to this session of LaTeX on Android, and in this session we are going to learn how to typeset chemical reactions, chemical formulae in LaTeX. We are going to use app VerbText for this purpose, and in VerbText we are going to use package MHChem. This works in the same way as we do that in TeXtStudio or on computer or laptop. We'll start with VerbText. In local mode, I will type project name, chemical reactions. I will type next and I will add it. I will have to find out the project, and this project is here. Now I will start typing package name in preamble, that is use package, and that is mhchem. But we have to specify one more thing. This spell check is problematic. Be careful about that. In square bracket we have to type version 4 because we are going to use mhchem version 4, and be careful about spellings. If spellings are wrong, then errors will be there. Now in begin document we are ready. Start typing our chemical reactions. In main heading I will write formulae, and in first formula we will write H2O. Therefore, to start chemical equation we have to give this command \CE, then curly bracket, inside curly bracket H2O. We'll close it. Now we will type another one, that is \CENH4Cl, that curly bracket complete. Again we'll type some complicated one, CE backslash, then in parenthesis we'll write NH4 parenthesis complete, NH4 parenthesis complete, then twice, and then SO4, NH4 to SO4, this chemical we want, curly bracket complete. Now we are done. We'll go to generate, and this should get generated without any error. Initially errors will be there, but you can go through the errors and correct those errors. These three chemicals are there: H2O, NH4Cl, NH42SO4, and that your text goes here is from template. Now we'll remove that your text goes here, and we'll type another chemical name there, \CE curly bracket H2SO4. We'll go for another one, \CE. This time we'll go for addition compound, that is K2Cr2O7.7H2O. Similarly, we'll go for that CuSO4 also, Ce K2Cr2, no, not K2Cr2, CuSO4, CuSO4, curly bracket complete. Now we'll see what effect is there. Generate. These two compounds shall get typesetted properly, and these two are there, K2Cr2O7.7H2O and CuSO4. Now we will see how to go for chemical reactions, how to show those reactions. And I will type here section reactions, and I will not bother much about spellings and all that. Spell check has corrected that, but this section spelling command spelling shall be very correct. And here we will type a first reaction, that is CeH2O, dissociation of water we will go for. Then for arrow we will go for dash, and this symbol will get arrow by this H2 plus, not H2, 2H plus O, get this upper script, superscript, because two minus shall be there as superscript as it's a charge. Now we'll see how this reaction turns up. Generate. The reaction is there, arrow is also correct, but the reaction is towards the left side. Therefore we will bring that in center by using these $2 symbols. And these $2 symbols will make it as display equation, and will generate, and this is the reaction. Like this you can have any reaction. Now we'll try to know more about arrows. This is the symbol for single arrow. Now we'll copy this and we'll paste here to save our time. Paste, and here I will put a generic one, that is A plus. We are going to explore reaction arrows, therefore very simple reaction I am using AB. Now here this arrow is single headed arrow. Now we'll copy paste this and we'll go for the second type of arrow, that is two-headed arrow, and please remember that there shall be a space between these two. Here also there shall be a space between these two. Now we'll again copy paste it, and we'll go for arrow reversible arrow with two arrows, reversible reaction. Now these three arrows are very common. We'll see how those look after compilation. And these three arrows are there. Now we will see how to get something above this arrow or below this arrow. Many times we need that. We'll paste this, and before the product, just after the arrow without any space, I will put a curly bracket, and there I will put that input C, and we'll see how it turns up after generation of the document. Okay, that C is above the arrow. Now we'll add something here so that it will go below the arrow. After that, above the arrow compound or input, we'll use curly bracket, square bracket to get the below arrow, and we'll have the space. Next, generate, we have that below the arrow. Now we'll see about bonds, how to get different types of bonds sections. We have seen about chemical formulae, how to get charges, and here we'll see about bonds, and it's very easy. Again, we'll go for the simple equation. This AB, one more A I will remove. This AB is compound, and we have to have the bond in between. This is for single bond. We'll copy paste this, copy, paste, and I will change it to equal sign, and I will copy paste it again. For triple bond, hash symbol is there, but this hash symbol may not work in this display mode. We'll remove this display mode for this purpose, so that hash symbol will work there for triple bond. And we'll go for how to go for that triple bond in display, that is slash bond in curly bracket. We'll type number of bonds we want. The triple bond we want, therefore bond 3. If you need a single bond, then we can have 1 in the curly bracket. Now we'll ask it to generate the document, and these bonds are there, this triple bond is there, but hash symbol as a bond will not work in display. Therefore, for display mode, we have used this a slash bond in curly bracket. Now we will see how to go for isotopes. Okay, section isotopes, and we'll go for thorium isotope. Section spelling shall be correct. And for isotope, again we'll start with CE in curly bracket. We'll first start with the mass, atomic mass, and that atomic mass we'll write as 227. And after that, we will use this underscore to get the subscript 1. Earlier also we used this underscore to get subscript, and here that subscript is 90. And thorium, charge on thorium, it's a iron we want to go, and that is there. We'll close the curly bracket, and we'll see how it looks. Generate. It is generating PDF, and PDF has got generated. That 22790 thorium is there. We'll go for another one. CE curly bracket. This time we'll go for the generic one, who has triple N 999 as the atomic mass, underscore for atomic number, that we'll use as 9, and formula for that is A. And if we need charge, we'll go for the negative charge. Curly bracket complete, and we'll see how it gets generated. Generating PDF. No error is there, and got generated. These two ions are there. Now we'll go for the stoichiometry. How to go for stoichiometry? Again CE, and we need to have 12 H2O curly bracket complete, and this stoichiometry will also be typesetted very properly. Earlier also we saw that, but this time explicitly. 12s2, that is there in stoichiometry. We haven't made new section for that. Save time. Here we'll start with lone electrons section, lone electrons, and again we'll go with CE in bracket CO and dot for lone electron and minus for charge. We'll close the curly bracket, and before this, to take all these two subscripts, all these two superscript, we'll give the mount symbol. Next, and we'll generate. PDF is getting generated, and here that lone electron thing or radical is there. Now we'll go for another radical. That another radical is NO2 dot CE to start chemical reaction, NO, then this mount symbol to take it, then 2 and dot, next generate. These things are there. This is all for today's session. Now you can practice this to learn more about how to give or typeset chemical formulae, chemical reactions, ions, radicals, and all those things which we require in chemistry. Thank you for watching this video. If you have liked the video, please press the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. And if you want notification of my next videos, then please press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends.